Before you invest in any stock, confirm that the company's cash flow from operations is positive and has been increasing every year for at least the last 5 years. This is a Wall Street rule of thumb that is not taught in any schools. It is one of the best indicators that you are generally making a good financial decision. I lost $30,000 7 years ago, my whole life savings, because I did not know how to intelligently analyze and select stocks. I vowed to never let that happen to me or anyone else ever again. My name is Nelson Alvarez. Fast forward to today, I am a licensed CPA, have read 613 financial books, made that lost money back, and have now founded C-Suite University to give the world a free MBA level financial education. If you want 5 more quick and simple Wall Street Insider investment tips, watch this video right here, click on the link or tap on the screen, it'll take you right to the channel. Now I have to say as a disclaimer when mentioning anything about investments that this content is for informational and educational purposes only. Please consult a registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions. See you on the channel.